Tariki 27 mweri wa kenda mwaka muhituku nirio Kenya yaikiri IHOYA ikienda gutuika memba wa kanju ya kuhuranira ihoto cia UMUNDU thiini wa ngwataniro ya kimabũrũri. Ona kuhanoro uguo ciiko cia ica ikuhi cia a Kenya kunyitwo migwate na njũragano moko-ini ma maabitha a borithi ni gatagati ka maundu maria macungiriirie gikundi gya kuhuranira ihoto cia UMUNDU guku bũrũri-ini kwandikira ngwataniro ya URUMWE wa mabũrũri ikienda Kenya ndikaheo mweke uyu.
Police have been responsible for numerous abductions and forced disappearances of 65 individuals and the unlawful detention of over 1,400 peaceful protesters. These abuses continue unabated.
We should not at any given time see Kenyans lose their lives the way they did in last year and also 2017 and even this year.
Kuringana na gikundi giki makiria ya a Kenya 60 ni moragirwo hindi ya mirurungano ya mbeu njithi iria iriga gutabanio guku bũrũri-ini na ona thengia ya wira wa honge cia ugitiri kwagarara watho na gukiruka ihoto cia UMUNDU. Thirikari ndiri yatashukiria ekoirwo ikinya o riothe.
A couple of weeks ago 60 Kenyans were killed. We are being told no police officers being held to account. There is no case for accountability for any law enforcement agency as we speak today. So the long and short of it is that based on the arguments that or the reasonings that we've given in this press conference, Kenya does not merit to have a seat at the United Nations Human Rights Council.
Granting such a position will severely undermine the credibility and mandate of the UN and its ability to hold perpetrators accountable.
The people. We are the people. Who are the people?
Ta umwe wa a Kenya aria mekorire haceke thutha wa kunyitwo migwate kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe, Bob Njagi ni ataririe uria thirikari ikoretwo igithatia igeria riake kwiyaria kuria umuthi maabitha a borithi mathararirie gikaro kiria gigutanyitwo na andiki a mohoro.
During the protest, I was singled out and targeted by security agencies for leading the protest. I was illegally arrested twice on 2 separate occasions. On both occasions, I was violently arrested and physically assaulted by the police and denied my right to seek counsel or communicate with my family members.
Njagi anyitirwo migwate hamwe na andu angi eri, Jamil na Aslam Longton, magikuruhanio na mirurungano ya gukirira thirikari mwena wa Kitengela.
Prior to abduction on the 19th of August 2024, Free Kenya movement had been on the forefront of the protest demonstrations against the draconian Finance Bill 2024, which later mutated into pro-good governance demos that demanded for the dissolution of Parliament and the resignation of President William Ruto and his Deputy Honorable Rigathi Gachagua.
Ciiko ta ici ni cicungiriirie ikundi ngũrani cia kuhuranira ihoto cia UMUNDU guku bũrũri-ini kurugama na mugambo umwe ikiuga Kenya ndikinyaniirie ikiro cia kwihokwo kuhuranira ihoto cia UMUNDU thiini wa ikiro cia kimabũrũri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngena wa Wadũ.